Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, as you can see from the title or the thumbnail, today's video is pretty much gonna be my just me pampering myself, just getting my hair and stuff, and just sorting out what's going on with my body, showing you guys my hygiene products, things that I use and such like that. I'm not sure what this will be called as yet, so that's why I can't necessarily tell you what the thumbnail is saying, because I don't know as yet. Okay, so right now I just finished cleaning, and if you have not yet watched that video where I cleaned everywhere, my room and the house and stuff like that, yeah, so I changed my bedding like today, yeah, because a clean body needs a clean bed to sleep in. So yeah, we did that today. So right now I'm getting ready to shower. I'm not going to shower because I'm hot, so I need to like cool down first. So I'm getting ready to go shower, and while I'm in the shower I'm going to be showing you guys my products that I use and like just tell you what I do for my shower routine. And since today I'm going to be doing like the extra shower routine whenever I need to shave or when I'm washing my hair, stuff like that, I'll be showing you guys what I do. We're just showing you the products because I can't show you guys myself in the shower. That doesn't make sense. So yes, I'll be showing you guys what I use. It will be mostly like music over it, so I won't be talking. So I'll just show it like I'll just give you the explanation under like in words right here or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair and do all of that, shave, and just, you know, and then we're gonna come back here and then do our hair care routine. I don't necessarily have one right now because whenever my hair needs to process, I need a routine that will keep my hair soft. But I do have a contour thing that I'm gonna try out, see if that will keep it soft, or I can still keep using the other thing, I don't know. But yeah, right now my hair is in 4 plaits. That is why I cover it, because it's all over the place. It's really and truly all over the place. So that's why I keep it tied up in this, what do you call this? I don't even know what you call this thing here, but yeah, that's why I keep it tied up, because it's not looking the best. All right.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing.
After I shower, I normally take my Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser and I wash my face in the bath because it's just easier. So yeah, and I have it like on this little rack, which is pretty much right at the bath, so I can stand in the bath and just take out what I want. So yeah, I use this.
Something from you. You make me that nothing.
Alright guys, so I'm now out of the shower and I'm gonna be using this body care beauty cream. It is quite moisturizing and it's thick and it has a great scent, so it's a win-win. Alright guys, I'm finished bathing. I have this towel on my head so it can like soak up some of the water. But anyways, I use this sometimes and I also use this. So yes, I love Dove because I have sensitive skin, so it's good for me. And then I have a lot of perfume options, but I normally use these when I'm at like in the house, or this while I'm in the house, because I don't want them all to finish at the same time. This is strong and this is also strong. This one is also strong, so I kind of use these two when I'm going out. This one I haven't started yet because I want this one to finish first.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
So yes guys, I don't know why this is showing. So sometimes whenever I don't deep condition my hair, I will use the leave-in conditioner, right? But since I already deep condition it, I'm only gonna use the oil moisturizer, lotion, and I want this polisher in it. Final choice. I'm gonna use this one. So we're going to use that one while the hair is wet. Damp, whatever you call it. And then we're going to cut too. No man, your child rip. I need it. So why you have treatment so rough? What is that? It's supposed to be a foam, and I don't know why I feel so soapy.
So why you can't put in a for me too?
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so the hair, yeah, as you guys can see, when I flat iron my hair, the ends are less trashy. So when it really want to cream, I sometimes flat iron it. I don't flat iron it a lot, so yeah.